Hi guys, welcome to Sharvision channel. Today I am going to explain about Tata Steel versus JSW Steel. So both stocks are very good performance as on date. So today I am taking the topic for which stock is the best for investment, whether long term or short term. So entire analysis we can understand this video if you watch it till the end. Otherwise you can if you skip this video you cannot able to understand the details of analysis. So please don't skip this video, watch it till the end, then only you can get the idea about the investment of these two stocks. Let's go now watch it one by one. So disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered person. This video for make for only education purpose. If you are a new person, please subscribe and support to me, and like the press button if really like this video and useful for you. Okay, let's go now. Tata Steel. About the company, the Tata Steel is one of the oldest company in India. It was started on 25th August 1907 at Jamshedpur, founded by Jamsetji Tata. It is one of the Tata major group of company. The Tata Steel is a well diversified business entity, and it is manufacturing ball bearing, hand tools, tubes, steel wires, also operating chrome mines. The company is also in the business activities of steel and ferro alloys and minerals. Next, we will watch about JSW Steel. So about the company, is the largest private sector steel manufacturer in terms of installed capacity, having it is also one of the lowest cost steel producer in the world. It offers a wide range of steel products like hot rolled, cold rolled, galvanized, galvanium, pre-painted galvanium, TMT rebars, wire rods, special steel bars, rounds, and blooms. These are the company's products. Let's go now the Tata Steel current market price is 1122. So it was closed today uh, minus 0.18 percentage. So the total Tata Steel low of range is 277, high range is 1246. Current market capital is Tata Steel 1,27,608. 12 months measures trailing 12 month EPS is 66.49. Trailing 12 month P ratio is 17.02. Sector P ratio is 14.40. Book value per share is they can give us 661.81. PB ratio is 1.71. Beta values 1.19. The good volatility of the stocks, and face value is 10. Dividend yield is very good, 2.21. Now compared to JSW, today's current market price is 714.10. So today is 1.14 percentage has been rise, and 52 quick low is 175.45, and 52 quick high is 773. The current market price is JSW 1,72,891. TTM EPS is 32.73. P ratio is 21.85. Sector PE ratio 14.40. Book value per share is they are giving 190.65. PB ratio 3.76. Beta value 1.13. Face value 10. Dividend yield is 0.91. Compared to Tata Steel, they are giving a less dividend. Face value is same. Beta value also less than Tata Steel. PB ratio is compared to Tata Steel, it was I think high. PB ratio 1.71, here 3.76. So compared to Tata Steel, JSW still is okay. So book value compared to Tata Steel, it was less. So let's go detailed analysis. We will continue the process. The Tata Steel, we can go through the price performance. See, last 3 years they are achieved 100 percentage of price increased, and last 1 year 253.65% increase. Last 3 months 44.44% increase. Last 1 month 5.42% increase. Last 1 week 2.36% increase. And the volume analysis is last 1 month average is 3 crore. 1 week average is 2 crore. Yesterday it has traded 1 crore volume, and today has also traded 1 crore volume. Now let's see the JSW. Compared to JSW, Tata Steel, the 3 years uh, price performance is 114.43% has increased. 1 year performance is 269.33 has increased, and 3 months performance 66.23% is increased. Last 1 month minus 1.60% is decreased. So we have to note it out. 1 month, last 1 month it has been reduced, and one past week is 4.38% has increased. So as well as the volume analysis, last 1 month averages 2 crore has been traded, and last week 1 week averages 1 crore traded, and yesterday it has also same 1 crore traded. Today 70 lakhs traded done. Let's go now. The Tata Steel of revenue, see, compared to March 2020 last year, 33,769. Now the March 2021 49,977. So lot of difference is there. So now revenue is increased in Tata Steel. Net profit, see, last year March 2020 minus 1,708. See, March 2021 7,011. So compared to last year, this year is much more better, much more achieved. I think this was more difference in last year and this year. Earning per share is last year minus 13.37. See, this year 57.53 they are achieved. See, compared to Tata Steel, now JSW Steel is, see, last year 17,887 is achieved. Now March 2021 26,934 is, compared to last year it is increased. Now net profit also last year 217 crore. Now this year 4,179 crore has increased. Lot of difference is there last year and now this year. So more difference is comparatively now very much improved the net profit. Earning per share last year only 0.96 rupees. Now 17.445 rupees. So lot of difference is there, much more increased, much more improved. So Tata Steel return on net worth, that means return on equity 10.08. Now ROCE percentage 12.69. Return on asset is 3.05. So last year compared to last year, this year is return on equity is less, sorry, increased. Same like ROC also increased, ROA also lot of increased. So Tata Steel is improved lot of things before previous year to compared to now. So liquidity ratio, current ratio is 0.85 and quick ratio 0.38. So compared to last year, now it is very less. So JSW Steel, so ROE is 16.91 compared to last year. This year is high. ROC is percentage 15.28. It is good compared to last year. ROA 5.33 compared to last year. This year is increased. So this is also good performance. And current ratio is 0.83, last year 0.84. So this year is very less. 0.1 is very 0.1 is less. Quick ratio 0.50, last year 0.52. So 0.02 is very less. So growth, last 3 years sales growth is compared to last year, this year less, 8.75. So last year 7.58. See, 3 years CAGR compound annual growth rate net profit is minus 33.03. Last year 162.42. So this year is very less compared to last year. So debit to equity, it is very important, 1.10. So last year 1.59. So slowly reduce they are at debt to equity 1.10. So there is a improvement is going on. Shareholding pattern. So total promoter shareholding 34.41 percentage having, and 18.56 is FII, 25.41 is the DIA, public having 21.62. Now let's go the JSW Steel. The growth ratio 3S CAGR sales percentage is 6.63 compared to last year. This year is very less. 3S CAGR net profit percentage 13.87 compared to last year. This year is improved. So debit to equity same like a Tata 1.111. See last year 1.45. So before that 1.03. So compared to now it is reduced slowly. So improvement is going on. So shareholding pattern, promoter having a 44.07 and FII 12.69 and DII 7.62 and 35.15 percentage is in public hand and 0.47 is the others. So now the comparison of these two stocks, which will be useful for you. I hope you please check it. PE ratio is 17.02. It's okay because of below 20 it's a value, it's a good range. So 17.02 is good value. Debit to ratio is 1.10. It is not okay because of above 1 is not okay, below 1 is acceptable. So ROE 10.08 not okay. At least 15 percentage above the ROE is good for healthy ROE. Promoter holding 34.41. So at least promoter having 50 percentage of stock, then only it is okay, otherwise not okay. So CAGR profit minus 33, so not okay. Net profit year on year 7,011 crore, okay. Book values per share 6,661.81, okay. Dividend yield 2.21 percentage is okay. Earning per share 66.49 is okay. ROA year on year 3.05 only, so not okay. So next is JSW Steel. P ratio 21.85, okay. Debit to equity ratio not okay, 1.11. So same like Tata here also. Return on equity 16.91 and promoter holding 44.07. Compared to Tata it is okay. CAGR profit is 13.87 compared to Tata is okay. Net profit year on year 4,179 crore, it's okay. Book value per share 190 compared to Tata it is very less. I am sharing only for I am only comparing these two stocks, not for others. We are analyzing for this, about the talking about only these two stocks. If generally, if separately we can see this JSW Steel, it is entirely okay. Same like Tata also, uh, except CAGR it's not okay, as well, and debit to ratio, these two only is not okay, but other things are, both stocks are very good performance, very good analysis, but I am comparing only these two stocks, JSW Steel and Tata Steel. So dividend yield is very less compared to Tata, 0.91, and book value share is 190, here 661. So EPS they are giving only 32.73 compared to Tata is very less. ROA year on year very much improved, 5.33, it's okay. So my analysis is, as per my view of analysis and opinion is, I given the rate of out of 10, the Tata is 5 and JSW is 6 out of 10. Let's go now directly, we can go through the technical analysis about JSW and Tata. See here, technical analysis. This JSW Steel, I am taking a day time frame. See now they are already touched overperformed and already touched their high level 770. Now it is retracement taking. Now it may go above this level. If crossed above this 770, we can go through enter, otherwise we don't enter, because it will be maybe chance to fall down again 600, come to 600, and this will go again. So we have to wait for some confirmation. So if further, if you want to enter at this stock, it will be go for long. If you only this stock use for long term, you can use it. It will be go for 909. So target is 909. It's a long term investment. If you short term investment, you wait for this entry confirmation, otherwise you don't try this stock. Let's go now. We will Tata Steel. See, Tata Steel also, it has been priced overperformed. Also, it has been touched 1246. Now it will taking some retracement. Maybe it will touch. It will enter above. If you want to buy this stock, you can wait for this confirmation. Cross over this confirmation 1246. Until that, wait, because it may be chance to again fall down up to 884. Then it will take a, again it will boom the stock. So if you want to long term buyer, you can entry it now also. It will go up to 1469. If you are a short term trader, wait for the correct entry. So until that confirmation of this location. So now the stock is not confirmed yet now. So wait for swing trader and short term trader, wait for this entry confirmation. So your correct entry is I think it will be 1246 above. Until that, wait. If you are long term trader, you can enter and it will go up to 1469. That's all guys. I hope this video useful for you and enjoy this video. Please subscribe and support to me and like the press button if you really like this video. Thank you for watching. We will discuss about another one video. Thank you.